Welcome to JH. I recently gave the Timilk VeinGuard herbal spray a whirl, and the first thing that hit me, besides the actual spray, was how ridiculously simple it is to use. The bottle makes it easy to target exactly where you need it, and it absorbs quickly without leaving you feeling like a greased-up turkey. Because let's be honest, nobody wants to slide off their sofa after a long day of pretending to be productive. After using it consistently, my legs actually started to feel like they belonged to me again, especially after those marathon sessions of standing or walking for no reason. It delivers a soothing, cooling sensation that is genuinely refreshing, paired with a light herbal scent that disappears faster than your motivation on a Monday morning. It is a nice change from those typical medicinal smells that make you smell like a walking pharmacy or your grandmother's attic. What I appreciate most about this spray is that it is gentle and natural while still providing noticeable relief. It has found a permanent spot in my evening routine because it makes my legs feel lighter and less tense, making the whole winding down process significantly less of a chore. It is convenient, requires zero complicated steps, perfect for those of us who find reading manuals a bridge too far, and it is a realistic way to support circulation and comfort. Overall, it is a simple, effective product that is actually worth keeping around.